Hello mga ka-learning, this is Teacher Jaay. Welcome to English for All Seasons. In this video, you will learn the plural forms of nouns. Nouns are words used to name a person, place, or thing. It designates quality, idea, or action, an event or point in time. Let's have the following rules. Most nouns form their plurals by adding s or es to the singular. For example, table, tables, chair, chairs, bird, birds, house, houses, vase, vases, arm, arms, cat, cats. Nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant form their plurals by changing y to I and add es. For example, lady, ladies, baby, babies, lily, lilies, country, countries, pygmy, pygmies, fly, flies, berry, berries, holy, holies. Nouns ending in s, x, z, ch, and sh form their plurals by adding es. For example, bush, bushes, box, boxes, church, churches, fox, foxes, torch, torches, gas, gases, glass, glasses. Nouns ending in y preceded by a vowel form their plurals adding only s. For example, boy, boys, key, keys, monkey, monkeys, attorney, attorneys, day, days, guy, guys, chimney, chimneys, valley, valleys. Nouns ending in f or fe form their plurals by changing f to v before adding s or es. For example, leaf, leaves, knife, knives, wolf, wolves, loaf, loaves, half, halves, thief, thieves, calf, calves, shelf, shelves. Nouns ending in f or fe form their plurals by adding only s. For example, cliff, cliffs, wave, waves. Some nouns ending in f have two acceptable plural forms. For example, elf, elves, elves, wharf, wharfs, wharfs, hoof, hoofs, hooves. Nouns ending in o preceded by a vowel form their plurals by adding s. For example, bamboo, bamboos, cameo, cameos, kangaroo, kangaroos, folio, folios, tattoo, tattoos. Nouns ending in o preceded by a consonant form their plurals by adding es. For example, potato, potatoes, mosquito, mosquitoes, mango, mangoes, tomato, tomatoes, hero, heroes, echo, echoes, volcano, volcanoes. Nouns ending in o pertaining to music form their plurals by adding s. For example, piano, pianos, radio, radios, alto, altos, studio, studios, duo, duos, soprano, sopranos, solo, solos, concerto, concertos. Nouns ending in o have two acceptable plural forms. For example, buffalo, buffaloes, buffaloes, flamingo, flamingos, flamingos, banjo, banjos, banjos, motto, motos, motos, bravo, bravos, bravos, cargo, cargos, cargos. Thank you for watching. If you learned from this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and click the bell for more updates. See you!